These people right here are getting paid every single second on the platform. As you can see right here, this person made $20, this one $80, $10, $30, $2, $1. So you can see a lot of people they're getting paid every single second on the platform. If you're looking for the best surveys website that actually pays real money in 2024, I think this video is just for you. But before I go forward and show you all these websites, I want to show you how people are talking about this website, because I really wanted to make sure that this website are legit and you can really make money on this website. So this is what I do on this channel. I make sure that all things that I'm talking about on this channel, they're legit and you can really get paid. Alright, so this person's reviews say that this website is a really good survey site and it's easy to use and also user friendly. The good thing about this website is that you can join on this website completely for free, but also the amount of money that you're going to make on this website, it just depends on a given website. So in this video, I'm going to show you more than 4 websites that you can really get good money on this website. They can actually pay you real money in 2024. So let's dive in and see how this website works. Alright, our very first site is called Surveyor. This platform is available in more than 100 countries in the world. And also you can make up to $11 per one survey that you're going to do on the platform. All you need to do is for you to go to this website, which is called surveyor.com, and after going to this website you have to sign up. You will answer a few questions just to make sure that you are the right fit on the platform, and after that you can start performing different tasks on the platform and you can get up to $11 per one survey. So it's really easy and mostly trusted platform that I can recommend for you to start getting paid on the platform, surveyor.com. So our second website is called Triaba. The good thing and what I really like about Triaba is that this platform is available nearly in every country in the world. As you can see on the screen here, there are too many countries that you can find on this platform. So this is a way good for you to start making at least $2 per one survey or $1 per one survey, and you can just go ahead and join on this website. Because I've seen good reviews, I've seen different people, they say that this platform is really paying really cash to different people around the world. So go ahead and try and see how much you're actually going to make on the platform. You can actually cash out your money when you reach $10 on the platform. This money that you made on Triaba will be sent on your bank account or any payment method like PayPal. This is how this website works. So you have to go. I can recommend for you to start making money, extra money on the platform. Alright, so next on the list we have Opinion Edge. The good thing and what I really like about this platform is that you can use it on your mobile phone by downloading application on Play Store or App Store, but you can also use this platform on the website. So it's really easy for you to start doing surveys on the platform. Rather than just answering questions, you can also get different bonuses, different rewards on the application. So you have to download this application, or you can just use it on your laptop or computer and start making money. But the bad thing about this platform is not available in too many countries. So if this application or this platform is available in your country, you are lucky enough to start making good amount of money. You can make up to $10 or $5 just on the application. It's not a reasonable amount of money, but it can help you to buy some stuff, and if you keep doing that, you can make good money. So our next website is called Taluna Influencer, and on this website you will be paid just by providing different opinion on the platform. All you need to do is you have to go to this website and you can provide different opinion on different topics on this website, and after that you can get points, and these points can be redeemed into cash. After that you can get cash like $2, $8. So you have to go to this website. I've seen a lot of people, they say that this is trusted survey website that they know, so you have to start making this amount of money, and it's available in too many different countries in the world. So you have to go ahead and see if this will be for you and start making money. So this is our last website, and I think this is the best website. I recommend everyone to go ahead and try this website because you can get paid within 15 minutes or 17 minutes, because I've seen a lot of people they get money every single second on this website. So you have to go ahead and try this website, which is called Freecash. On this website you will be paid just to test different applications, different games and survey sites. So you have to go ahead and join on this website. And the good thing about this website is that it's available in too many countries, but also you can cash out when you reach $5. When you reach $5, it's okay for you to cash out your money, and it's very easy to reach $5 on this website, because the average amount of time that people they get $5 on the platform is only 17 minutes. So you have to go ahead and try this website, because I've seen different people they say like this is the best website for you to start making at least $5 every single day. So why not try this website? Alright, so I've seen a lot of survey sites claiming that you can make up to $100, $200. But according to my research, these survey sites that I've mentioned in this video, they are very trusted because many people are getting paid, and I've seen reviews, I've seen different people they say that you can really get free money, you can really get like real cash on this platform. So the amount of money that you can get on this platform, they're really not going to make you rich, but at least they can help you with small expenses on a daily basis. You can get $11, $10, $20 on this platform, and I think this is really going to help you. So you don't have to think about making $100 just by doing surveys. That is very rare. So you have to try out and see how much you're just going to make, and I think it can help you in one way or another. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much. My name is Hans David. Thank you.